Hi guys, welcome to Mira's tiny garden. This is a beautiful bushy evergreen and perennial succulent plant. It's called Kalanchoe. Everyone pronounce it differently, but I like to pronounce it Kalanchoe. It's an excellent flowery houseplant, mainly grown for its flowering ability. Kalanchoe blossfeldiana is the most common variety of Kalanchoe, but there are many varieties. Some have single petals, some have double petals. They bloom in many colors. So here is an option that we can have our favorite one. So I picked bright pink, light pink and white ones. I like Kalanchoe for their vibrant, long-lasting flowers and they are pretty low-maintenance plant. So I suggest you must plant Kalanchoe in your garden or indoors. As it is succulent, leaves are little thicker, leaf blades are 2 to 4 inches long. They are green, shiny and are arranged in an opposite pattern. Remove dust from them, gently wipe or spray water on it to remain glossy texture. It will also help photosynthesis process to keep the plant healthy. Don't rub harshly, it may damage the leaves surface. Wipe both sides of the leaves. The texture of the glossy leaves will enhance the beauty of the entire plant. Kalanchoe do fine in normal house environment but need lots of indirect sunlight. So indoors, place it near a window. As it is a succulent, don't overwater it. Overwatering must kill your plant. Allow your Kalanchoe to get dry between waterings. And one more important thing is that water it thoroughly until it drained out from bottom within 20 minutes. Use organic fertilizer. This will help the flowers to last several months. Prune dry flowers to promote more blossom. It takes 2 to 3 weeks for new buds to develop. And also remove dry flowers to keep plant looking neat. Usually after buying a plant from a nursery, it blooms only once. So we start neglecting it afterwards or we throw it away. Here is a trick on how to get your plant to bloom again. Kalanchoe are photoperiodic. They bloom in response to the length of day. They bloom in early spring. Use less water during the 6 weeks and put your plant in complete darkness for 14 hours. You can use a cartoon box and put your plant in the cartoon box for 14 hours and in bright light for 10 hours a day. After 6 weeks, when flower buds forming, bring your plant back out into normal light conditions. Kalanchoe are very easy to propagate by stem or leaf cuttings. September to November is the best time for propagate Kalanchoe by cuttings. Cut a branch into 4 to 6 inches long. Remove the lower leaves. We can also propagate Kalanchoe from leaves. I am using reversion for the propagation. I already moistened the sand with water. Roots will grow after a few weeks. When the roots develop well, transfer it to a new pot. Kalanchoe needs rich, well-drained soil, so we can use perlite, reversion, compost, and also can use cacti or succulents soil mix. So, what are you waiting for? Go to a nursery and get your Kalanchoe plant, make lots of cuttings to propagate and enlighten your tiny garden with lots of Kalanchoe blooms. That's all for today. Thanks for your time. If you liked it, please do subscribe and hit the bell icon for another update. Don't forget to like and share. And of course, leave a comment below. Bye bye.